He who can do this has the whole world with him. He who cannot walks a lonely way. Now, what do I mean by saying this? This is a quote which was said by Dale Carnegie. As you might know that he was a well-known and best-selling author in the world. Now, he says that a leader is someone who would want his audience to follow him. A leader cannot be a leader who cannot command his followers, who cannot make his audience listen to him, or who cannot take them along with him. And it is only possible when you have certain characteristics, and it is only possible when you know how to make people listen to you, how to get those people to do something that you want, how to make people speak in your favor. So I still remember when I was a kid, I used to go to catch fish in a nearby pond which is there in my village. And I personally love chocolates. I do them, I love them a lot. So when I go there and catch them, I would not go ahead and want fishes to eat the chocolates, because that is not something that a fish would eat. I knew for a fact that fishes love worms and insects. So I would bait my fish with the worms and insects because that is their favorite food. So I knew for a fact that, instead of the fact that chocolate is my favorite food, that is not something that a fish would like to eat. So why can't we apply the same principle in our life? The most of the people fail to impress people and fail to get all the people think in the way that they want is because they do not know how to influence people. So the number one strategy to influence people is to know what they want, not what you want. Often it happens that when you are managing a team, when you are managing certain set of followers, if you keep thinking about yourself and if you always talk about me and you don't talk about we, then you are definitely going to fail, because you're keeping your interest on the top of people's interest. You're keeping your interest on the top of everybody else's interest. Now you can apply the same principle in your personal life, in your relationship, in your office, with your friends, with your colleagues, and everywhere. It is well proven, as Dale Carnegie says, that he who knows has the whole world with him. He who doesn't walks alone. So I hope my message is clear to you. I just wanted to give you this short note today that it is important to always think about other people, think about the people whom you're working with, think about your partners. If you truly and sincerely think about their interest and talk about their interest, they will be interested in you and they will follow you, they will listen to you, they will do whatever you want to do. So next time when you bait the fish, remember to know what they want. Remember what fish wants, not what you want. So I know for a fact that my favorite food is chocolate. That doesn't mean that fish would eat chocolate. They eat worms. So I hope you have loved the message today. In case if you have any questions or any feedback, I would want you to drop them in the comment section. I would love to answer them. So this is your friend Tawseef Hassan signing off until we meet again.